So I guess it's time to pick up where we left off. I want to remove the portion of the loom for the rear of the car and also sort out the rest of the fuel tank. There's a tank strap that needs removing and then straight onto the battery terminals. Next up is the rear lights. These are held in with a nut in each corner. You can see here some damage someone left for me in a car park. This light will need replacing, and there's some damage to the rear quarter. No issues with the other light, and then it's onto the fog light. And with that removed, we can thread the rest of the wiring loom through to the cabin of the car. And there we have it, a substantial part of the wiring loom removed. Everything from the rear speakers to the rear lights, fog lights and washer motor were all taken care of by this loom. Just a few parts left from the fuel tank now, and then we're done with the back of the car.
Morning!
What's for the tea?
I think I'll leave the positive terminal for now, call that job done and move on to the cabin. I want to remove the headlining next and start the job, unaware that there's a lot of other things that I need to do before the headlining will come out. But I started it and I'll tackle the other jobs as they come up. First of those jobs, the rear windows have to come out. here's a nice little surprise waiting for me underneath the rubber seal for the rear window. The rearview mirror is next, and then I can carry on doing the roof lining. I wasn't quite sure on how to remove these clips, and ended up breaking two in the process. By the third one I kinda got it.
Yeah. Shit.
Not perfect though. Dealing with a disintegrating headlining on a 20-year-old Mini on the hottest day of the year isn't a combination I'd recommend. Just some sound dampening next.
What are you doing? Trying to be helpful? What's in there?
Removing the headlining has revealed a few more things we can tackle. The car aerial and the washer jet hose. There's not much space for a cable to pass up through this pillar. In fact, I didn't think the aerial was going to fit at all. And then I remembered back to when I used to fit stereos for Halfords. These end adapters come off. I wanted to make sure I put some sort of guide string through this pillar, making it easier to thread anything back through it again when I need to. I didn't do this for the other side when I had the chance, so I only remembered for this one.
Oh, you bastard.
Almost lost it at the top, but managed to salvage it. For now, that's all I can remove from the cabin of the car. The rest of the wiring loom goes through the firewall to the engine bay. So next up I'll need to start tackling the ECU side of the wiring loom. I better tackle this whole thing in another episode. So for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.